Make your camping trip great thanks to these tips. The outdoor world entices many individuals to pick up and head for the wilderness. Going camping prepared is always the best bet though, and having some tips and tricks up your sleeve never hurts. Take time out to read the following video, and your camping trip is sure to be a success. A great item to put in your camping backpack when going in the backcountry is a Ziploc bag filled with dryer lint. There is no better fire starting material than dryer lint. It will hold a spark and get your fire going quickly and efficiently. Dryer lint takes up almost no space in your pack and is very lightweight. You don't have to be a Boy Scout to be prepared, if you plan to go camping. One of the first rules is to be sure to tell somebody where you will be. If there isn't an exact location to give, then give a general idea of major roads nearby or even GPS coordinates if you know them, and give a time frame of when you plan to return. When you get to your campsite, take your family out on a walk. Particularly, if you have children, everyone will need a chance to stretch their legs after getting out of the car. The hike will be a good chance to get everyone excited about the trip and involved with nature. Preparation and organization are chief factors to facilitate a great camping trip. Without proper preparation, a camping trip can turn into a disaster. Research the place that you are traveling to, which will help you to understand the climate and geography. Let people know where your group is headed. Just in case anything happens to any of you, you want to know that there are people who know where you are at. This is a good precautionary measure to take if something were to happen to your camping group, because help will be on the way soon. If you're new to camping, you're going to want to arrive early to the campground. The reason for this is you will be new to the campground site and rules, and this will slow you down. You don't want to be stuck setting up camp after dark, so just arrive a little earlier than you usually would. Camping is something everyone can enjoy if they know what they're doing and how to do things well. You might need some research to understand how to make a good camping trip. You'll be ready for your first camping trip soon if you follow the tips you read above. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.